Hello, wonderful viewers. Welcome to Health is Wealth. Today, we have an incredibly juicy topic for you: mango for weight loss. Get ready to discover the amazing benefits of this tropical delight. Let's dive right in. Certainly. Here are 10 specific ways mango can aid in weight loss. Low-calorie fruit. Mangoes are relatively low in calories compared to many other snacks and desserts, making them a satisfying option for weight loss without adding excessive calories. High fiber content. Mangoes are rich in dietary fiber, which promotes satiety, reduces hunger pangs, and helps control overall calorie intake by curbing overeating. Provides essential nutrients. Despite being low in calories, mangoes are packed with essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin E, potassium, and folate, ensuring your body receives the necessary nutrients during weight loss. Boosts metabolism. Mangoes contain compounds like mangiferin that can help enhance metabolism, enabling more efficient calorie burning and potentially aiding in weight loss efforts. Natural sugars versus processed sugars. Choosing mangoes as a sweet treat offers a healthier alternative to processed sugar-laden snacks and desserts, helping to reduce empty calorie consumption. Hydration support. With their high water content, mangoes contribute to keeping the body hydrated, which can help control appetite and prevent overeating due to mistaking thirst for hunger. Supports digestion. Mangoes are rich in enzymes like amylases, which assist in breaking down carbohydrates and promoting healthy digestion, reducing bloating and discomfort. Promotes a feeling of fullness. The combination of fiber and water in mangoes increases satiety, making you feel fuller for longer, thereby reducing the likelihood of snacking between meals. Low glycemic index. Mangoes have a relatively low glycemic index, which means they cause a slower rise in blood sugar levels. This can help stabilize energy levels and prevent sudden hunger spikes. Encourages healthier eating habits. Including mangoes in your diet can promote a preference for nutrient-dense, whole foods, helping you make healthier choices and maintain a balanced diet throughout your weight loss journey. Remember, while mangoes can be beneficial for weight loss, moderation is essential. Eating mangoes in excessive amounts could lead to caloric surplus, hindering your weight loss goals. As with any dietary changes, it's crucial to maintain a balanced diet, exercise regularly, and consult a healthcare professional or nutritionist if you have any underlying health conditions or concerns. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and share this video with your friends. Remember, health is wealth, and we will see you in the next video.